Good morning, dear children. Today in this video we will read and understand a beautiful short poem written by Robert Frost, Dust of Snow. This poem presents a moment that seems simple but has a large significance. The poem tells that even a simple moment has large significance in our life. This 8-line short poem is about the poet's optimism and his message to the readers about finding something positive even in the negative things. That is, how to be positive even when a lot of negative things are happening around us. This poem is written by Robert Lee Frost. Robert Frost is a very famous poet, and I am sure everyone is familiar with his poetry. The Road Not Taken, which you did in class 9th, is one of his famous poems in which he talks about the choices one makes in his or her life. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it, but we cannot go back on it. People do not think much of some birds like crows because they think it brings bad luck. Normally we have seen people talking about a nightingale or a sparrow, but here Robert Frost is talking about a crow, and crow is always considered to be a bad omen. The color of the crow, the croaking sound it makes are something very harsh and are not liked by the people. People stay away from certain plants like hemlock because it is poisonous. There is a speciality of hemlock tree. It has white flowers, but those white flowers give a very bad aroma, and also this hemlock tree is said to be a poisonous plant. So let us start with the poem. I'll read the poem first and then we'll explain it to you all. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day that I had rued. The way a crow shook down on me, shook is shake. The dust of snow, here determines the particles of the snow, the scattering of the snow from a hemlock tree which I told you it is a poisonous tree. So the poem is set in a scene where the poet is in a bad mood and is sitting under a hemlock tree, and we see that the crow is shaking down the dust of snow. So if we talk about snow, we can say that it was a winter season and the poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. So he says that the way a crow shook down on me here refers to the poet, that is Robert Frost. The dust of snow, that is the particles of the snow from the hemlock tree, it gives poet's heart a change of mood. Has given my heart here refers to Robert Frost's heart. A change of mood, that is upliftment of the mood which was sad earlier. The reason is unknown that why poet's mood was bad, why he was feeling terrible, but the shaking of the branch, the shaking and scattering of dust of snow on the poet by a crow from a hemlock tree has changed poet's mood and saved some part of a day which the poet had rued. Rued is, that is, he would have regretted. So, the snow that was poured by the crow on the poet who was sitting under the hemlock tree has given poet's heart a change of mood. That is, the poet's mood was changed. Snow particles lifted poet's mood instantly. Poet was happy that some part of his day was saved, which he would have spent in a bad mood only if that incident had not happened. Which incident? The scattering of dust of snow. He had already spent his day in a bad mood, but the rest of the day was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree, which we consider as negative. So children, we see this in our life also, that one may have the worst day or the time of his life, but a little good thing can make it quite amazing. The crow, the hemlock tree, the dust, they are some bad signs that normally make the people believe that something wrong is going to happen. The poem gives us the message that one should hope for the best even in the worst. Like negative and negative makes positive in mathematics, similarly in real life also we can make and enjoy and in our worst times as well. So this was the explanation of the poem, children. Let us see the poetic devices in the poem The Dust of Snow. First is symbolism. In the poem, Frost uses crow, hemlock tree and dust of snow as symbols. Crow and hemlock usually signify something bad, but in the poem they bring joy to the poet and make him feel better. Imagery. Frost uses simple imagery, that a crow scattering snow from hemlock tree and dust of snow falling on the poet to depict the positive effect of the nature on the poet. Here the poet Robert Frost wants us to imagine that how a crow was scattering dust of snow from hemlock tree on the poet. Next is alliteration. And saved some part, the letter S is repeating, so it is alliteration. So let us discuss the rhyme scheme. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. We see crow and snow are rhyming with each other, so it is AA. Me and tree are rhyming with each other, so it is BB. So the rhyme scheme of the stanza 1 is AB, AB. Now on the basis of the explanation of the poem, children, this is your assignment. First is reference to context, that is RTC. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Question number 1. What is the rhyme scheme used in the above line? Question number 2. Where is the poet right now? Question number 3. What does the crow do? RTC based on the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Question number 1. What is the above extract describing? Question number 2. What is the change brought about in the mood of the poet? Question number 3. What has been saved and by what? Question number 4. What is suggested by the word rude? These are your short answer questions which you have to answer in 30 to 40 words. What is the central idea of the dust of snow? How is the nature described in the poem? Simple things are really great. Justify. What change did the poet notice in himself after the crow showered snow dust on him? That's all for today. Thank you.